guys, look what I got. Winter. Hey, there, baby. Hey, Winter. Hey, there, baby. Say, look what I got. Say, you better come and get you one of these. Say, come and get you one. Say, what is it? What is it? It's your baby. It's your baby. It's your baby named Winter. Say, I'm available. Say, my name is Winter and I am available. Say, come get you one. Say, come get you one of these babies. Hi, guys. It's Alexis Richburg here at Richburg's Miniature Schnauzers. And we have some sales going on for Valentine's Day. Come get you one. Say, come get you one. Say, come get you one. Come on, you want to go back? You want to go back? Let's go see what's going on in here. Let's go see. Let's see what's going on in here. Let's see, I don't know how to flip this, so obviously we'll leave it. So, Shay, come get you one of these. Come get you one of these babies. Say, come get a baby for Valentine's Day. Say, we're available. Now, guys, to get the Valentine's Day special, it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. It just has to be in the month of February. Say, come get you one of these babies. Come get you one. And we do also have a deal going for if you get two at the same time. So you just have to ask me about that. Say, come get you one. Hi. Hi. Yeah, so ask about those deals, guys.